have a cold. Now.
Bye.
Buying another one. Money's in the zipper. Lots. Lens wipes, because if you know, you know. I hear my brother screaming. I'm leaving. Snacks. Some Gatorade. I don't even need to turn on the machine. I know I'm underweight, but just let me exercise. Yay, 3 people liked my other video.